Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi my YouTube family, how are you? So in this video we are going to learn household chores. So the first is scrubbing the floor. Scrubbing the floor. He is scrubbing the floor because the floor is very dirty. Okay? This is called dusting the furniture. Dusting the furniture. That's called dusting. Specifically, I've put specifically the furniture word because in the picture she is dusting the furniture, right? So it can be anything like your bookshelf, like your drawer or anything. Please subscribe the channel or like the video. And this is ironing the clothes. Ironing the clothes. Next is changing the sheets. Changing the sheets. She is changing the sheet of the bed. She is changing the sheet of the bed. What is it called? This is called folding the laundry. Folding the laundry. The boy is helping his mom in folding the laundry, right? Next is setting the table. Setting the table. He is setting the table because the guests are about to arrive. This is called hanging the clothes. Hanging the clothes. He is hanging the clothes on the rope directly into the sun so that it can dry. And the next is drying the dishes. Drying the dishes. Both of them are drying the dishes. Drying the dishes. Okay, this is called wiping the table. Wiping the table. She is wiping the table. The next is take out trash. She is taking out the trash and put it in the bin. And the last one is moving the furniture. Moving the furniture. I hope you like the video and please subscribe the channel or like the video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Always speak truth. Goodbye.